tutorial on how to resize an image. Resizing an image is useful if you want to send it over email and you want to keep the file size small, or perhaps you want to upload it to a website such as a Yahoo photo album. The way to resize an image is simply to go to the image menu and choose image size. The current width and height in pixels is displayed, although you may have it displayed in centimeters. In the width box, I'm going to type 200 pixels. This is about a thumbnail size. Now notice that when I typed in 200, the height changed to 163. This is because I have constrained proportions checked. I'm going to type in 483 again. Now if I were to uncheck constrained proportions and type in 200, the height will stay the same. If I'm to click OK now, as you can see, it distorts the image. I'm just going to undo that. Now, from the image menu, image size. This time I'm going to recheck constrained proportions, type in the width of 200 and click OK. The image is now resized. Now I can simply save it and do with it as I will.